Hi guys, it's Kate here, and I'm so excited to share with you my new collection called DeliKate. So in the DeliKate collection, we have this wonderful serum, and this is all based on omegas and ceramides. And remember, this is really to calm the skin, feed the skin. So when do you use the DeliKate serum? When your skin is irritated, you're gonna wanna cleanse with the DeliKate cleanser. Then you're gonna wanna put on your DeliKate serum. And this actually has omegas and ceramides. It's all about recovery and building that skin barrier back up. And then you're gonna wanna follow up with the moisturizer, which is more like a recovery cream. So we left a lot of things out that can irritate. It's fragrance free, it's sulfate free, free of any mineral oil, and free from parabens. I have to say, everyone should have this in their arsenal because everyone has a bad skin day, and this is gonna put you back to healthy, gorgeous skin.